Hi friends, మన ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ 60 ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ ఫర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ ఫర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ చూద్దాం. క్రిటికల్ టెంపరేచర్ ఈజ్ ద టెంపరేచర్ అబవ్ విచ్ ఆప్షన్ 1 ఏ గ్యాస్ విల్ నెవర్ లిక్విఫై, 2 ఏ గ్యాస్ విల్ ఇమీడియట్లీ లిక్విఫై, 3 liquid will evaporate, 4 liquid will never evaporate. Definitely a gas will never liquefy. Option 1 is the correct one. In a simple saturated vapor cycle, the enthalpy of the refrigerant at different points is as follows. After compression, 420 kJ per kg. Before compression, 370 kJ per kg. After throttling, 120 kJ per kg. The COP of the cycle is, okay, here the given data is enthalpy after compression, okay, also enthalpy before compression. The difference in between is nothing but the work done during compression, okay. Also after throttling, 120 kJ per second kg. It is simply by COP, formula of the COP for vapor compression refrigeration cycle, okay. Here during throttling process the enthalpy is constant, so before and after throttling the enthalpy is same. So after condensation the enthalpy is 120 kJ per kg. Before condensation the enthalpy is 370 kJ per kg. The difference between these two gives the total heat removed during condensation, okay. Now we get total heat removed during condensation, heat added or work done in compression. The difference in between these two gives the refrigeration effect. Finally, the refrigeration effect by work done during compression gives the COP, okay. RH of 50% is, this is a air conditioning problem, okay, leave it. In vapor compression refrigeration cycle, decrease in evaporative temperature keeping condensation temperature fixed results in, okay, here decrease in evaporative temperature keeping condensation temperature fixed results in option 1 decrease in refrigerating effect per kg, option 2 increase in compressor work per kg, option 3 decrease in volumetric efficiency of compressor, option 4 all of the above. So the answer is option 4 all of the above. The components of an air refrigerant system are 1 compressor, condenser, expander, evaporator, 2 compressor, condenser, cooler, refrigerator, 3 compressor, expander, cooler, evaporator, 4 compressor, cooler, expander, refrigerator. The correct answer is option 1 compressor, next condenser, next expander, next evaporator, and the cycle continues. Domestic refrigerator works on 1 vapor absorption refrigeration cycle, 2 vapor compression refrigeration cycle, 3 Bell-Coleman cycle, 4 Carnot cycle. The correct answer is vapor compression refrigeration cycle and the option is 2. Rating of domestic refrigeration cycle refrigerator would be definitely 0.1 ton. The answer is option 2. In coastal regions, summer air conditioning with air coolers is not satisfactory because this is air conditioning with, okay, leave it. The quantity of heat removed from refrigerant vapor in a condenser is equal to latent heat of refrigerant, okay. Mainly it removes latent heat of refrigerant. If the refrigerant is subcooled, then partly sensible heat is also removed, okay. So answer is 1. If it asks for a subcooled refrigerant, then definitely answer 4 is correct one. Answer is option 4. Defrosting of evaporators is done because frosting retards heat flow. So the answer is option 4. In a refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by refrigerant at is at condenser. So answer is option 2. In a vapor compression refrigeration cycle, the lowest temperature occurs in, okay, after expansion valve. So the answer is in evaporator. So 4. Hermetic compressor is 1 reciprocating type, 2 valveless type, 3 thermodynamically efficient type, 4. A packed seal unit containing motor and compressor. Yeah, answer is option 4. Which of the following is not used as a refrigerant? 1. CO అంటే కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్. 2. అమోనియా. 4. సల్ఫర్ డయాక్సైడ్. 4. 3 సల్ఫర్ డయాక్సైడ్. 4 కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్. ఓకే, కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్ is not used as a refrigerant because it is harmful. Secondary refrigerant from the following refrigerants: 1. Ammonia. 2. Air and water. 3. R12. 4. Sulfur dioxide. Yeah, the correct answer is option 2. Air and water. Water with some addition of salt, it becomes brine solution. Also, brine is used as a secondary refrigerant. With reference psychrometric chart, the following statement is correct. It is air conditioning MCQ, so leave it. The COP of reverse Carnot cycle is 5. The ratio of highest absolute temperature to lowest absolute temperature is. Okay, here the COP of Carnot cycle, reverse Carnot cycle is given. It asks simply the ratio of highest absolute temperature to lowest absolute temperature. Okay. Simply COP is equal to lower temperature by temperature difference between highest absolute temperature and lowest absolute temperature. Okay, by simplifying that equation we will get the ratio of highest absolute temperature to lowest absolute temperature. Okay, the following properties indicates moisture content of air. 1. This is air conditioning bit, so leave it. This is also waste heat can be effectively used in following refrigeration system: vapor absorption system. So answer is option 1. In aircraft, air refrigeration cycle is used because of 1. Low unit weight per ton of refrigeration. 2. High heat transfer rate. 3. Low temperature at high altitudes. 4. High coefficient of performance. It has low unit weight per ton of refrigeration. So answer is option 1. This is also air conditioning MCQ. Carnot coefficient of performance of domestic refrigerator compared to the domestic air conditioner. Okay, here coefficient of performance of domestic refrigerator when compared to domestic air conditioner, definitely it is low because air conditioner needs high COP. Okay, the refrigerant that has lowest freezing temperature: 1. Ammonia. 2. Freon 22. 3. Freon 11. 4. Freon 12. Definitely the lowest freezing temperature has Freon 22. So answer is option 2. Okay, ఇక్కడితో రిఫ్రిజరేషన్ రిలేటెడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ MCQs అయిపోయినాయి. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఎయిర్ కండిషనింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అలానే ఇంపార్టెంట్ MCQs నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నా. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలానే మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్లో ఎవరికైనా అవసరం ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మా వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి, వాళ్ళకి యూజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.